Hey, welcome to the show. Today in the show we're going to be talking about where to put a comma with a city and a state. So let's take a look at this first sentence here. I want to travel to Orlando, Florida. It's super cold here and it's a lot warmer there in Florida. And that's where I want to go, but where do I put the comma? I need help. Hey, is that a plane? Is that a bird?
I am Super Comma, here to save the day.
Super comma, yeah, help me out. Where do I put the comma at?
That's right, I can help you out on this. All right, first, our mission. You got to figure out what is our city or town,
That makes sense.
and then what is the state. So let's read it. I want to travel to Orlando. That's the city. Then this is the state. What we need to use is our marker. Got it. Ready. They call me Comma Man. I'm the pro at this. Let's do it. All right, put a comma in between Orlando and Florida. Separate them. Then that way you know which one is the city and which one is the state. Let's do it. Put a comma like that. Pretty simple. All
So
right,
let's read the sentence again.
I want to travel to Orlando,
Florida.
Totally agree with you. A lot warmer. I love that place.
That makes sense. Let's take a look at the other sentence here.
Second sentence. Yeah, we got a problem. Let's take a look at it.
My cat drove a car to Homer, Alaska. Whoa, that's where the cat is. But it doesn't make sense. Homer, Alaska. Where do I put the comma? Super comma, help me out on this.
Homer, Alaska. I don't think there's a place called Homer, Alaska. We need to be able to put a comma in there. I'm Comma Man. I'm going to help you out. Totally agree with you. We need to fix this problem. We need to figure out where to put the comma. First rule, which one is the city? Homer. Yeah, it's not the Homer on Simpsons. That's another story. Homer is the city. Which one is the state? Yeah, Alaska. Very cool place. Put a comma in there. They call me Super Comma. Let's do it. Now we can read the sentence. Probably makes sense now. My cat drove a car to Homer, Alaska. Perfect sense. Although I have a little problem with the cat driving. Hope he has a driver's license. Anyway, different story. Another time.
That makes total sense. I love it. Hey, you got to check out our other videos on here. We have drawing videos, educational videos, and we make learning fun because you will have fun learning. Have a fun day. Bye-bye.
Yeah, check out his other videos. Super cool. If you need help, call Super Comma. I'm there to help you save your day.